Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to cook quinoa in a pressure cooker. First, it's crucial to rinse your quinoa thoroughly. This simple step removes saponins, which are natural coatings that can give quinoa a bitter taste. Just place your quinoa in a fine mesh sieve and rinse it under cold running water for about 30 seconds until the water runs clear. This ensures a delicious, fluffy result every time. Next, let's talk about the perfect water ratio. For every 1 cup of quinoa, you'll need 1 1/4 cups of liquid. You can use water, or for extra flavor, try vegetable or chicken broth. Don't forget to add a pinch of salt to your cooking liquid. It really brings out the quinoa's natural taste. This precise ratio is key to achieving perfectly cooked, separate grains. Now for the pressure cooking itself. Once your quinoa, liquid, and salt are in the pot, secure the lid. Set your pressure cooker to high pressure for just 1 minute. Yes, that's right, only 60 seconds. After the cooking time is complete, allow the pressure to release naturally for 10 minutes. This natural release is vital for the quinoa to absorb all the liquid and become perfectly tender. Finally, it's time to reveal your perfectly cooked quinoa. Once the 10 minutes of natural pressure release are up, carefully open the lid. You'll see beautifully separated, fluffy grains. Use a fork to gently fluff the quinoa, distributing any remaining moisture evenly. Your delicious, healthy quinoa is now ready to be served. Enjoy it as a versatile side dish or as a base for your favorite meals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.